Hazel?
You're putting the winter tires on the truck.
Nope, halfway done.
Halfway.
Oh, wow, Oliver, you're doing
it.
it. Look at that.
I saw it move,
Yeah,
Oliver.
I saw it moving. You lift the truck up while I get this one ready.
It's moving up. Good job.
Wow. Aren't hydraulics cool?
Oh yeah, you're so close. The tire's almost off the ground, Oliver.
It's on video.
Oliver, I felt the tire moving because you had it off the ground.
Alright, you did it! High five! Yay! Oh, can you give Hazel a high five? She wants a high five! Here, I'll give you a high five. I'll give you another high five. High five. No? Oh, she doesn't want a high five from you. She wants it from you, Oliver. Give her a high five. She wants one.
Thank you for helping.
Is that gas on it or no?
No, it's water.
So we have a pretty busy day today. As you saw, Samuel's changing his tires for winter tires, and we have a load of wood we're supposed to be picking up from a friend, and we also have some mattresses we're picking up. And I would like to... What are you trying to do? Alright, Mama's turn. I would like the room to be functional for multiple kids to sleep in, but also be able to double as a guest room. So I want the queen bed in there. So I'm thinking maybe a queen with a full over it, or a twin over it, and a full in the loft. Samuel has a ton of school. He has been hunting the past couple of evenings, and so I think he might be a little behind. Do you think, sis? Do you think? She loves the back scratches.
I want this pouch.
Well, let's talk to Dada and figure that out the rest of the day first, okay? So Samuel just got home. I was hoping to have the house all cleaned up before he got back, but I ended up finishing up some editing, and hopefully Oliver's in a good mood still. I like to keep this door shut because Hazel's napping. Another room there. But we'll see if I can get this cleaned up while he's still unloading that. Samuel actually left again already to go get another load of wood, so I should definitely be able to finish this up before he's back now. And we were talking about getting bunk beds, but I think we're actually going to try to put it up in Oliver's room. If/when we ever have more kids, then we can decide if we're going to put a bunk bed in Hazel's room. Instead of trying to make a decision that would work best for us in the future, just wait. Anyway, I'm going to get this all cleaned up. Hopefully Hazel will sleep for another 30-ish minutes. Oliver is actually sleeping in Samuel's truck as Samuel's running around doing stuff, so that will be good for him too. The snow looks like sprinkles. It's so weird. Look at this. I mean, look at those 3 in a row right there. How crazy are these snowflakes? I'm taking some of our outside toys. Oh no, I can't get him in. He put his fuel drum on top of the outside toy bin. Well, maybe I can do it. How heavy is this? Oh, that feels full. Okay, not taking the outside toys out. I really love this bin. I had 2 that matched. The kids broke this, and then there's just like pokey things, so just getting rid of that and then grabbing a pizza out of my freezer. The nicest thing about winter is the freezer just being right on the deck. Summer you have to go all the way to the garage to get frozen food. And the squirrels got into our garage. That's lovely. We really need to get a second freezer. We were using a second one, but then Samuel's family needed it for their fish, so we need to buy another one. There's that. I always keep a pair of flip-flops out in the winter. If I don't keep a pair of flip-flops, I will walk barefoot outside to start my car, even if it's super cold, because it's too much work putting boots on. And so I'm moving a pair out this year. Hello. Good morning. Hi.
Ta-da!
Ta-da. He's back with his second round of wood. The oven just beeped. Do you want some pizza? Do you want some pizza for lunch?
Ta-da!
Ta-da. Are you excited Dada's back?
Ta-da!
Ta-da. Alright, let's put these pizzas in.
Ta-da!
Hello.
Ta-da!
Hi, baby.
Ta-da!
Oh, I'm so hungry.
Bye!
I have pizzas in the oven.
Wow, that is a workout. Are you gonna stop eating? Whoa, you must be hungry. Oh, you soon will have pizza to share too.
We need to restock our long-term pantry.
Does that mean I should be going hunting?
We don't need meat.
Yes, we do need meat.
We need beans.
We need meat to eat with our beans.
Picked up mattresses, and now Oliver, where are we? What are you getting? Pumpkin spice. Oliver requested a pumpkin spice, so he's getting a pumpkin spice steamer.
What kind of kid did I raise?
I am getting a Americano vanilla chai, splash of oat, and pumpkin soft top. You think Oliver's extra for ordering a pumpkin spice? Is it good? You like it? Hazel, do you like yours? Oh, don't chug it too fast, Hazel. Oh, it's spilling.
Mommy.
This doesn't really look like the picture, does it?
Picture's fake. It's all Photoshop. Just tastes good though.
It's not cold. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
I like it more than I stirred it up a little bit. Good? Did you finish it? Oh good, I'm glad you didn't finish it yet. Hazel's still chugging. You like it, sis? Is it yummy?
This is no.
She says yes, yes.
This is
It's
nice.
yummy.
Nice, yes.
Well, Samuel doesn't have time to help me set it up where we want it. So, into the chicken coop it goes.
Can I help you?
Come on, sister, come on. Come on. Hold her hand, Oliver. Come on. Oh no, don't pull her too hard.
Hi. Hazel's in the fan is okay, so we had to the pool. Goodbye. The hazel and water is still not a seal, not booming down. It was very important. It was very nice. Mama, how do you do this? And look at Mama.
Hi.
How do you do this? Last time Oliver and Hazel came, so we just think it's soon straight. So we cut them down so they don't know. Push it down. Well.
Is that yours? Eat that. Oh, thank you.